Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Experian IdentityWorks for identity theft monitoring, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Experian IdentityWorks website. Once on the homepage, locate the Get Started or Sign Up Now button. Click on the button to proceed to the registration page. You will see an option to choose between different IdentityWorks plans. Review the features of each plan carefully to select the one that best suits your needs. After choosing a plan, click on the Enroll Now button. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your name, email address, and any other required details. Make sure to provide a valid email address for account verification. Continue by creating a secure password for your account. Once the information is entered, review everything for accuracy. Click the Next button to move on to the next step. You may need to answer additional security questions for identity verification. Follow the prompts to complete this section. After verifying your identity, you will reach the payment page. Enter your payment details to process your subscription. Review the total amount and any terms and conditions stated. Confirm your payment by clicking the appropriate button. Once your payment is successful, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your email for a verification link from Experian. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. You will be directed back to the Experian IdentityWorks site. Log into your new account using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with available features. Adjust your account settings according to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.